When we see Pantao's puppet horses, we don't see the artificial silk material. We see a living, breathing animal, with all its snorting and neighing. Over millions of years, nature has crafted innumerable forms of life. A symphony of colors, shapes, and sounds. Every species embodies nature's living artistry. Every birth, her creative expression, and a master brushstroke. Through art, we often mirror nature, as though humanity declares, "See, I can create as you do." This begs the question, is this simply imitation or a challenge to nature's mastery? Perhaps it's both, for even our creative impulse is nature-given. We are, after all, nature's children. When children emulate the parent, it's not a competition but a conversation. Nature is the ultimate creative force. We echo her artistry through our own creations, sparking conversations that sometimes lead us to our source, Mother Nature herself.